I love it this, you know. When I go someone who are the businessman, you know, and I said, listen, don't look at the number, don't look at the amount. It doesn't matter. What is matter? Show your income, please. Dashboard income, please. Look at this teacher team. Press plus. And when I go someone that show the screenshot and I just speak about the businessman to businessman, you know, you name it, any business, yeah? Doesn't matter, is legal, illegal, drug. Look at this percentage. When I translate the teacher team, what they explain, I speak in the Russian and say, you name it any business who have gross 700%. Look at level 4, 700%. Don't look at the numbers. Just name it any business. Which
no,
business?
no, on the left side, on the green
percentage.
the green, Tim.
Percentage, no more. They will understand after. You know?
Exactly. And that's what I'm saying to you is every business on that street, the multiple streets downtown Tbilisi, if every business you walked into and said your income can increase by 700%, who says no to that? For a $200 a year investment, that's how much they invest on napkins for a week.
No, this is not about the money or about, you know, if someone is clever, doesn't have the money, they can figure out 50-50. Or, you know, it's not all about money. This is all about when I show the opportunity and the vision, what I have, and strongly believe, that's it.
Yep.
This is just numbers. Nobody can say, you know, this is a fake, this is a live streaming. We're not making Photoshops or something.
Right.
Look at the screen, man.
Yep.
This is the future. You name it, any business. Please, if someone knows the business, even Bitcoin, you grow in your business 700%, just tell me, message me, please. Here is the results.
There's that I can guarantee you 100% that there is no cryptocurrency company that can tell you on your 4th level you're making 700%.
It's not exist.
Nope. And see, I completely agree with you. Don't look at the numbers, because when you look at the numbers, you go $45 a month. That doesn't save my business. But if I multiply $500 times 700%, oh, that'll save businesses. That saves communities. But people don't think of it like that. They go, oh, well, you're only making, oh, well, he's got a lot of people and he only makes $45. Well, show me your dashboard for Instagram. Show me your dashboard for Facebook. Show me your dashboard for Twitter that makes you $45 a month. And you've been in it for 15 to 20 years. There's no dashboard for that. There's no dashboard proof for that, because it's non-existent. Now, guess what? If we said, hey, can we look at Zuckerberg's dashboard? All of a sudden you would see how much money's made. If we look at Bezos's dashboard, we'll see how much money he makes. But the thing is how much money he makes means nothing to the guy who's packing boxes every day, making less than minimum wage. He'll never see any of that dashboard. What's beautiful about Webtalk is the guy who's making the boxes and packing stuff in it could make more than the boss if he got enough people underneath him. See, that's the problem with Webtalk, is that there's 6 million people in here, and 1 million of them haven't figured out that they could be a Jeff Bezos in a few years for doing a pro package. That's it, a pro package. People don't know. They don't understand that Facebook makes $6 billion a month. They don't understand that Facebook bought Instagram, which makes probably another 3 or 4 billion a month. They don't understand that. And they don't understand that 50% of that goes to the people that use it. And 5 levels goes to the people who have pro package the first million. You show me a business model where 1 million people have access to 50% of anything, any business. You show me one of your hotel workers there, Ravaz, that gets to come in and work at the front desk, but they get 50%, they have a chance of 50% of your profits. Never happened.